Hello, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. So, kami ngayon? Tagaytay-Talisay, I think. So, yun? Sampalok. Aahonin namin. Okay, tara. Let's go. Anna. Ayun, si Kuya Saldi na naman. Ayan, punong tagapagdala. Punong tagapagdala. Nandito na naman kami. Bababa kami ngayon sa Sampalok. Ayan.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Ay, diba? Ganda rito, kuya.
Ingitin mo siya.
Ganda dito, Tons. Tsaka Randy. Maganda rito. Umahon tayo para para hindi na siya maganda.
You lost 1/4 of your life.
Oh, ayan. Oh, sabi mo, you lost 1/4 of your life eh.
Randy, Ton, you lost 1/4 of your life.
Oo, tama. Ang ganda dito. Mas maganda to kung kita mas kita yung pero pwede na rin.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. it's mind over everything.
Alam ko na eh, handa na.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, stepping up, don't stop. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
Tapos meron siyang chest piece. Same thing.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, stepping up, don't stop.
Hello! So, Future Fonzie here. You just concluded yung ride. Hindi ko na pinakita yung tapos ng pag-angat namin sa Rotonda kasi given naman na yan, malapit na kami nun. So, bigay ko lang yung stats nung takbo. So, it's a 183.60 kilometer ride. Elevation gain is 1,809. Moving time of 9 hours, 45 minutes, 12 seconds. Average speed of 18.8 and 7,601 calories. So, ayun. Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe. Thanks.